guys, Eddie from Harlembling. Sunday is a great day. A lot of you look forward to it. A lot of you might be home from work, spending time with your families, watching football. Can't forget about Jesus. Church on Sundays. Who doesn't look forward to church? I sure do, even though I'm Jewish. Now I'm going to give you another reason to look forward to on Sundays. Every Sunday, I'm going to take 5, 10, 15 items, slash the price. On the website, I have a daily deals section. Go onto that section. The prices are automatically reduced, and you will not get a better price than that. You cannot use coupon codes because, they're already 50, 60% off. If you miss out, you miss out. I will also make it fun. If you watch until the end of the video, I'm going to tell all of you guys how you can recommend items for the next week's deals. So what do I have for this week? We have the Summer Edition 2024 Baguette Moissanite watch. Original price is over $1,500. Now it's $700. Automatic movement. This is all Moissanite. Baguettes in the bezel. Beautiful, beautiful timepiece. This is a no ID watch. Fully iced out. Again, you will not get it again for this price ever. I have the Nugget ring, which is probably one of my favorite rings. Only $33 with this weekly deal. Beautiful 925 silver ring made in Italy. There's no stones, but this is a lifetime piece. Silver. It looks like a silver nugget found in nature. We have this Jesus piece. Another jeweler made it, sold it for like $400 or $500. We are selling it for $100. This is a medium. With sale, it's even cheaper. We also have it in small and large. Beautiful, beautiful pendant. Look at the detail, just the right amount of bling. Mother's Day is coming up. Pearl necklaces. This is the 10 millimeter. We also have them in smaller versions. Again, as a choker, as a gift for a woman, whatever it is, pearls are now again in style. We have this beautiful Moissanite baguette bracelet. Guys, if you're not a baller, this is not for you. Each stone is 2 carats. This price, honestly, I didn't even want to do it. Check out the Daily Deals website. You'll see the price. There's just the stones in themselves. These are emerald VVS Moissanites. Could be sold for more money. Do whatever you want with it. I said enough already. Pushback studs. I have all sizes. They're all heavily discounted. This is cheaper than even the Christmas discounts. Now, these are not screwbacks. I'm not the biggest fan of pushbacks. Some of you guys like pushbacks, but best quality Moissanite. I bought this back from Black Friday. This is the black Moissanite prong Cuban. And I will also discount the silver one. Both of these prong Cubans are going to be on sale. Again, this was probably the best item of 2023. I sold thousands of them. The price before the sale is amazing. Now it's a steal. And lastly, you need to store all of this. Jewelry box for $30. Harlembling jewelry box. All of these items are on the daily deals section. Now, how you can participate. You don't like any of these items? You want something else? Comment below which item you want me to launch for next week. The comment with the most comments underneath, that's the item I'm going to launch next week. Until next time, Eddie from Harlembling.